Hi, I'm Martin Cavey from Chorus Accounting, and today I'm asking myself the question, do you need me? Or probably the better question is, do you need an accountant? The answer to that is no, you don't need an accountant. Most businesses can use their revenue software, they can submit a tax return, they can prepare a cash book using Excel or something like that, collate all their numbers, and then send them all off at the end of the year, and then pay the tax. But that's fine. But you're not getting the benefits of my expertise or of my colleagues in working out what you could do better, or in sometimes claiming the right sort of things. What do I mean by that? Because that's quite vague, isn't it? It's like, oh, well, okay, what can an accountant do for me? Well, the first thing that I can do to you is save time. Now, the reason I say that is you're going to need to talk to Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs, HMRC. I can tell you now that basically at the moment, there is about an hour's phone call that you will need to make to get through to Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs to ask them a question, to ask them to do something, to go about how to change something. If you use an accountant, they will already have set you up as an agent. They will be authorised to speak to Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs on your behalf about your tax affairs. That means that's going to save you time, because I can go back and ask them the questions in the way in which they would understand, rather than you ringing up and going, well, I think I need to ask this, can you tell me what the answer is? An accountant will help you set up your business in the right way at the beginning. Now that might mean that they say, look, you should be a sole trader, an unincorporated business. But they will be able to ask you questions about why you want to be an unincorporated business or a limited company. It's not that chat that you go down and have down in the pub with your friend. And he says, okay, what are you going to do? Okay, I'm going to set up a videography business. Okay, great, brilliant. Yeah, you're good at that. That's really good. Yeah, do that. And then your mate says, you want to be a limited company. That's what you want to be. The first thing an accountant is going to do is to challenge that premise, because it might not be the right thing for you. And that might be for lots of different reasons. But primarily, it might be because how do you get your money out? And how do you get your money out without paying massive amounts of tax? At the end of the day, you're starting something new. That's going to be really strange and really difficult. You're going to be dealing with customers, suppliers. You're going to be dealing with potentially staff. You're going to be dealing with arranging things, making meetings, getting stuff out. All of those things, the last thing you want to do is go, oh, a minute, what do I do about getting money to myself? How do I do that? An accountant can help you with that. What they'd also think about as an accountant is looking forward into the future. Where do you want to get to? What do you want to achieve? Do you want the, thatched cottage in the New Forest, which is £1 million? Okay, that might be your dream. It might be your dream is to go and emigrate to Barbados and never have to do anything about it ever again. A good accountant will work with you to achieve those goals, to keep you on track, to challenge you in the right way. Rather than you going off down a track that says, okay, I'm going to do this, and this, the accountant might turn around and say, I'm not sure that's a great idea. Maybe what you could do is think about this or think about that. You're the expert in your field, but they are the expert in their field. And it's that expertise that you're pulling on. I'm sure you've got loads of questions, so why not leave me a comment below and I'll come back to you. If you found this video interesting, then why not look up this one? Or that one? Or this one? Or the one over here? Or the one over there? Or the one over there? Even better.